Hello friends, today we will be doing the rest of the sums. Okay, so from exercise 1.2 we have done questions 1 to 8 is already done, and for verification you can check my previous videos. Now coming to question number 9, which reads, to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. So cloth needed for one shirt is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. For easy purpose, what we will do is we will convert these into centimeter. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 into 100 will make it centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is equal to 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is equal to 215 centimeter. Okay. Next it is told how many shirts can be, out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched. So now what is the length of cloth we have? Length of cloth is equal to 40 meters. Now 40 meters also needs to be converted into centimeter. 40 into 100, that is 4000 centimeter. Okay. Now number of shirts that needs to be stitched is, so if I say what is the number of shirts which will be stitched is equal to, what will you do? You have 4000 centimeter of cloth and one shirt will require 215 centimeter. So how many shirts you can stitch is division, 215 centimeter. So now to divide, again I will do a rough. I'm doing the rough in the right hand side for the usage, but you also left hand side, so you have to make a right hand side column for your rough or in the back side of your paper. So 215 divided by 4000. Okay, when I divide it, what will I do? 215, this completely 3-digit number 215, it goes one time, so I will write 1 at the top and 215, then minus 5, 1 plus 1 2, then 8, 3 and 1 4, 1850. Then after that for 1850 it will go 5 times, not 5 times, it will go 8 times. It will go 8 times. So 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 2, 12. Okay, 16 plus 1, 17. So I will have 130 centimeter left, but let 130 centimeter remain, no problem. I need the number of shirts. So how many shirts can I make? 18 shirts. This is equal to 18. So what will be my answer? Therefore my answer is 18 shirts can be stitched, and the question is how many centimeter will be left, how much cloth will remain, that is 130 centimeter. So I will write, and 130 centimeter cloth will remain. I can write 130 centimeter or I can write 1 meter 30 centimeter. Okay, as I feel. So 130 centimeter cloth will remain, or 1 meter 30 centimeter. As the question always gives in meter and centimeter, I will also put in meter and centimeter. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is question number 10. Question number 10. What does question number 10 says? Medicine is packed in boxes, each weight. So weight of each box. Weight of each box. What is the weight of each box? Weight of each box is 4 kg 500 gram. Again I said you, I will convert it into single unit. So 1 kg, so 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So 4 into 1000 will make it gram, plus 500 gram. So that is equal to 4000 grams plus 500 gram. That is equal to 4500 gram. Okay. Then it says, how much such boxes can be loaded in a can which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? So maximum load. What is the maximum load I can have? Maximum load is equal to 800 kg. 800 kg means 800 into 1000 gram. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grams. Okay. Now, so if I have to find the number of boxes is equal to 8 lakhs divided by 4500. Okay, both are in grams, so obviously I can divide it. I can divide only the same units. Okay, so if I have to divide it, I will divide it. See, so for each, what I will do now, I will cut these 2 zeros and I will cut these 2 zeros. Okay, now I will start dividing. 45, 4 2s are 8, it will go by 1. Okay, so I will have 45. Here I will have 5, 4 and 5, 5, 3, 50. Then I will have 4, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 2 plus 4 6, no, it will go with 7. So 7 5s are 35, 3, 28, 29, 30, 31. It is going beyond, just please bear with me. 2, again 350, again I will have with 7. So again 315. So there will be a space of around 35 grams which will be there. Okay, so but the number of boxes that will require is 177. So I will have the answer as, therefore, how many such boxes can be loaded? So 177 boxes can be loaded. 177 boxes can be loaded. Okay, so this is your question number 10. Next, coming to question number 11. Okay, question number 11 reads as, the distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 meter 1 kilometer 875 meters. So distance between school and home, first I will write out the distance between school and home is equal to 1 kilometer 875 meters. So 1 kilometer is how many? 1 kilometer is how much meters? 1000 meters. So 1 into 1000 meter plus 875 meter. So 1000 meter plus 875 meter is equal to 1875 meters. Okay, then every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So now she walks so much meter both ways. So the total distance covered in one way is how much? One day? Total distance covered in one day is how much? 1875. So she is going so much and returning back. So this plus this, or I can tell this into 2. Fine. Now she travels these distance for 6 days. So I can obviously multiply here. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 7 is a 14 and 1 15, carry 1. 16 plus 1 17, carry 1. 3750 meters. Okay, so now distance covered in 6 days. Distance covered in 6 days is equal to how much? 3750 meter into 6. That is equal to 0. 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 42 plus 3 45, 4, carry 4. Then 6 is 18 plus 4 22. So I have this 22,500 meters. So this is equal to, if I have to convert it into kilometers, what will I do? I will divide it by 1000. So that means in front of 3 digits, I will put the kilometer. 22 kilometer 500 meters. So I will write the answer is, therefore total distance covered by her in 6 days is 22 kilometer 500 meters. Okay, all right. Next, coming to question number, the last question, question number 12. Okay, so this is the last question, and it states a vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? So now first I have a vessel has 4 liters. So capacity of the vessel. Capacity means how much can it contain. Okay, capacity of vessel is equal to 4 liter 500 ml. Again I will convert into ml. So 4 into 1000 ml plus 500 ml. So always convert into the smallest unit so that it is easy for calculation. Now in how many glasses each, or capacity of glass. Next I have capacity of glass. What is the capacity of glass? That is equal to 25 ml. So number of glasses, what will be the number of glasses? What should I do? I should divide ml divided by 25 ml. Okay, now if I divide this both, what will I get? 25 dividing 4500. Okay, 25 1 25. I will have 0 200. I've got this 0 down, 200. And now if I get 8s are 200. Okay, nothing. I will bring this 0 down. Obviously this will be a 0 here. So 180 glasses. So what will be my answer? Therefore, the question states, how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? So I can say 180 glasses can be filled. Okay, so that is question number 12. Thank you.